On Tuesday, Margaret ran 2.3 hours at a speed of 5.8 miles per hour. Henry ran 1.9 hours at a speed of 6.2 miles an hour. Who ran the longer distance and how much longer? So in order to figure this out, we're going to need to do some multiplication, and we'll start with Margaret. And we're going to take her speed and multiply it by the time. So I'm going to do 5.8 times 2.3. And that's going to help us find out how much or how far her distance was during that time. So 8 times 4 is 24, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 2 is 17. Moving on, I put a place value 0 down. 8 times 2 is 16, carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 1 is 11. When I add that, and then I'll place my decimal. I have 2 numbers behind the decimal, so I'll have 2 numbers behind the decimal there. So she ran 13.34 miles in that amount of time. Henry, on the other hand, ran 1.9 hours at a speed of 6.2 miles an hour. So 6.2 miles an hour is his speed times the number of miles or hours that he ran. So 2 times 9 is going to be 18, carry the 1. 6 times 9 is 54, plus the 1 is 55. I'm moving on to the next place value. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 6 is 6, and we'll add that. I have 1128. I need to place my decimal. There are 2 numbers behind the decimal in my factor, so there will be 2 numbers behind the decimal in my answer. So who ran the longer distance? Margaret ran the longer distance. And the second part is how much longer, so we're going to need to subtract 1334 minus 11.28, making sure that I'm lining up those decimals when I'm subtracting. 4 minus 8 I can't do, so I'm going to borrow. 14 minus 8 is 6, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So she ran 2.06 miles longer.